Hey everyone, it's Nadida, and today I wanted to do a real quick unboxing review of my newest JustSaiyan order. Because of the break, this one took a little bit longer to arrive, but it's here now, so let's open it up. Really, I wanted to focus on the Delta joggers and the sweatshirt because I don't own any of these yet, so let's see how they fit. Alright, so I've got the Vegeta Delta joggers on, and this is the short sleeve Vegeta Delta Vet, and I really like how these look. Man, look at that. Look how it matches up. Already, I really like these. I got these in a size small. I am 5'7", about 152 right now. The vet that goes down these is really just like the vet on the Delta Vet shirts. Oh yeah, I like these a lot. They move really good. They look like they're nice and fitted. I'll have to look at this later, but just looking down at them, I feel like they look tighter on me than they feel. They're actually really, really comfortable, and I was a little bit worried because I got a small. If the size small is this comfortable, then I'm sure the mediums are going to be great. So let's try on the sweatshirt now. Alright, here's the Vegeta sweatshirt in a size small. Honestly, it's a little bit bigger and looser than I expected. I don't mind the looser, baggier fit. Some of you might even go for that. I really like how it has the fitted cuffs around, I guess, the bottom of the shirt where your hips are and around the sleeves. I frequently pull up my long sleeve shirts because I'm always doing things with my hands, so I like that the cuff is tight so that it stays up when I pull them up around my forearms, but at the same time they're not squeezing my wrists, they're loose down by my hands, and it looks good. It looks really good. It works with the Delta Vet joggers. Like, this is a really awesome casual set. You know, I would definitely go to the mall or to the grocery store rocking this, but the design looks awesome. The material, really light, really breathable, but still warm, actually. I'd say these aren't as warm as the hoodies, but pretty close. Like, I've got the short sleeve Delta Vent on up under this, and there's plenty of room. I don't feel like it's bunched up or uncomfortable at all. Because I live in St. Louis, and it's cold here, and I dress in layers. So this is a really great addition. I'm probably going to be getting more of these, and I could probably even size down to an extra small. This is a small, so it really just depends. If you want to use this as a pump cover, this would work really well. Alright, so that wraps up my review of the Vegeta Delta Vet joggers and the Vegeta pullover. If you have any questions, if there's something that I didn't go over in this review, feel free to message me in the comments or hit me up on Instagram. And if you plan on getting your own, please use my code NADIDA, to save 15% at checkout, and I will see you guys next time.